Hi everyone, your favorite baker is back, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the best chocolate chip cookies that you'll ever eat in the entire world. I swear by this recipe. It's easy, fast, and simple. You're going to love it. All right, so what we're going to need is butter, brown sugar, granulated sugar, baking soda, eggs, corn syrup or just maple syrup, vanilla extract, flour, and chocolate chips, obviously. So to start off, we're gonna preheat the oven to 375. It's a very important step. And once you got your oven preheating, we're gonna grab a large mixing bowl. It doesn't have to be too huge, but just a decently sized bowl. And we're gonna add 1 cup of salted butter, a half a cup of granulated sugar, and a cup of brown sugar. Oh, and a teaspoon of baking soda. And so we're just gonna beat this together with either a hand mixer, or in this case, I'm using a whisk. And you're gonna beat it for about 2 to 3 minutes or until it's like a nice fluffy consistency. So once we get it to about this consistency, we're gonna beat in our wet ingredients. So you're gonna add 2 eggs, a tablespoon of vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoons of syrup. Now I'm just using like log cabin pancake syrup, but you can use corn syrup or whatever you'd like to use. All right, so now that everything is all nice and mixed together, no lumps, no little bubbles, we're gonna try to beat in as much flour as you can. Now, it does get difficult if you're gonna try to put in all of the flour at once. We need a total of 2 3/4 of a cup of flour. So I like to beat in 1 cup at a time. So I'll throw in 1 cup and then like another cup, and then I'll try to mix in the last 3/4 of a cup by hand just because it gets too thick and a little too hard for the whisk. Everything just gets stuck together. All right, so once everything is all mixed together, we're gonna add in our chocolate chips. This is the final step. You have to add them last. And once they're all mixed together, we're gonna prepare our baking sheet so we can put these little cookies in the oven. So you're just gonna take a piece of parchment paper so our cookies don't stick, and we're just gonna put it to the length of the sheet and set it aside. And then we're gonna get our cookie dough and we're gonna form 2-inch balls, and we're just gonna put them on the sheet and just place them about 1/4 of an inch or 3/4 of an inch to 1 inch apart, so that way they don't combine to one giant cookie when they're in the oven. Yeah, so you're just gonna throw those bad boys in the oven at 375 for 6 to 8 minutes or until the edges are a nice golden brown. And there you go. Best cookies in the world.